Tonson Oreo Pancake to officiate the game, please. Tonson Oreo Pancake to officiate the game, please. Limited one, limited one. Small size po, please. Small size. Officiate. Yung mag-referee, my friend. Ready ka na ba? Sa game ninyo? Woo! Galingan! Hey! Good! Minutes to start the game. Can we call on our lead captain for this game, please? Renan and Renan. Come, let's officiate, please, to the girl. Umpires and ref tsaka umpires, friend. Thank you so much. Kasi siya yung unang ref, yung isang ref lang sa kabila, para dawan. Wala nang dito. Si Chang yung playing mag-second gabi. Our official referee for this game, Tonson Oreo Pancake. Alright, mag-toss na po tayo ng medal. Kung sino pong service, nasa yung medal natin? Nasa yung medal kanina? Ladies and gentlemen, ayan. Ano ba yan? Puti ng tinaka. Alex! Nasa yung medal, Alex? Nasa yung medal kanina? May medal, wala kang... Hindi kasi ako nagpipiso eh. Ito na lang kaya? Ito na lang, i-ano mo kung ano. Teka. Ito, gusto nyo ba yung takip? Winner! Captains, let's do the toss cup. Uy, hirap ka na. Sino service? Service! Bristol! Wolfpack! Let's do this, guys! Game na tayo! First six, please, from both teams! Again, official referee would be from Oreo Pancakes. First six for Wolfpack, first six for Cantol. Let's do this! Ready guys, ready? Go na. Ready? Service ni Wolfpack kasi sila yung nabili ng court. Wolfpack service. Nag-iinit, nag-iinit. Wait, magpapasal tayo ng referee. Diyan, umiiyak ang bata dyan. Nice! Nice save! Yan, 1-1! Ako yung scholar, pero dito sa red. Service, Wolfpack. Outside. Service, Lily. From Canton. Service, Heather. Service, Grace, number 16. Outside. Parang labanan ng ano to ha. Labanan ng service niya ito ha. Substitution. From Canton. Outside. Ano pa? Labanan ng service error. Substitution, Mark Lester Garlica, 2, Dima Yuga. Service, Tyrone. Nice service. Set. Uy! Set by Doy. Set by Renan. Ay! Outside. 4 more. Service, number 8. Nice sushi roll from Tibayuga. Nice. Set by Don. Set by Rena and attack. 4-6 in favor of Wolfpack. Outside. 5-6. Service. Mark Lester, Mandillo. Oy, set by Don. All 6. Nice. Denied by Guanard. Free ball for Wolfpack. Set by Renan. Attack by 24. Good receive from Tyrone. Set by Renan. 24 to attack. Uy! Good save! Nice. nakatouch. Touch, Balyaso. Score, Wolfpack. Nice service. Sumabit. 6-8 in favor of Wolfpack. Service number 13. Nice service. Nice service. Free. Outside. Grabe na yung fake na yun. Fake receive. Service number 13. Free ball for the Wolfpack. Set by Renan. Chris! Nice, good. That's still good. Set by Renan. Back by 24. Nice to see from Billy. Free ball for Wolfpack. Renan for the set. Attack by Renan! Outside! Timeout! Canton! 30 seconds. Hi, Ademar! Let's welcome Ademarda in the house! Ang late mo naman, di ba? 11:33, let's go back for the ball game!
Ball up the ball.
Where are you? Malinis to. Push. Service. Move. Wolfpack. Tinabi mo sir, I love the service. Two-step and then serve. I love tingnan mo. Yes. 1, 2, free ball for the Wolfpack. Set by Renan. Chris! Very nice. Wow! Hindi ko sila nakaka-recover. Binigyan agad ng spike. Grabe naman kayo. Uy! Nakadapa pa oh. 6-11. Two-step. I love the service. 1, 2, substitution now. Rep. 7-11. Set by Renan. Great! Denied by the net. 8-11, service, Leonard, number 2. Set by Renan. Free ball for the Canton. Set by Lord. Nice! Inside! 9-11. Renan. Butas cardigan. Butas cardigan. Wolfpack to serve. 9-12 in favor of Wolfpack. Ano ba? Be, yung referee be, tayo be. Ano nangyari sa referee be? Oy! Short. 9-13. Wolfpack to serve. Outside Chicago. 9-40. Service from Renan. Service, walk back. Nice save. Renan to set. Attack from Jen. Don to set. Nice! 10-14 in favor of Wolfpack. Bumabawi ang Canton. Calamansi, Playboy, favorite ko yan. Service error from the Canton. 10-15, service. Number 24. Jump low, lovely. Set by Don. Binibili lang yung time. Set by Regan, number 8. Nice! Number 6. Nilito. 11-15. Service. Lady. Pinapos. 11-16. Ayan na yung goal! Ay! Oh my God! Ay! Ayaw ko na mag-score. Thank you. Set by Renan. Attack by 8. Good. Receive by Shadow. Set by Renan. Attack by 8 again. Denied. Denied by Laloon. Service, Pansit Canton, number 6. Kinapos. Substitution. Check the serve from Wolfpack. Same service. Okay. Kinapos. Miscommunication. Substitution, number 6 to number 1. Pass off. Check the serve. 12-18 in favor of Wolfpack. Received by Tai. Set by Don. Attack by Don. Nice! So, tingnan naman. Uy! Uy! Kaya tayo. Service, Cairo Del Rio. Uy! Hindi nakahabol ni Renan. Sayang. 14-18. Outside Chicago. 14-19 in favor of Wolfpack. Who to serve? 8 to serve. Nice service. Nice receive. Drop by Renan, set by Renard, back by 7. Renan to set, number 24. Number 3 to set. Attack by Mark. Pero outside Chicago. 21-40. Parang major mo doon. Ganito din ba ulit ang gagawin ng Canton? Butas! Butas! Binubutas! Mark Palillo, number 7 to serve. Jump. Oh! Jump Observe na 2 inches na jump lang. Ganun siya. Oh, yes. It's very working. 60-21. In favor of Wolfpack. Jump. Outside. 60-22. 30 to serve.
I'm on 5. Yeah. 2 and 5.
Weber. Outside. Konti na lang.
Yeah, we had a mini game. We aimed the ball is 5 service aces. And then 2 extra points.
Yes, ma'am. Substitution, 1 to 6. Pero may nag-locker ka pala? May nag-locker pala ang posisyon mo? Buka. Nice. Trigo for Canton. Set by Don. Nakahulay Mark. Deny.
Call for the ball.
Hey guys.
Set by Renan. Chris. Hi. 24. Set point for Wolfpack. Set by Don. Nice. 90-24. Still in favor of Wolfpack. Pero humahabol ang Canton. Don't serve. Nice. Set by Renan. Natakbay 24. Nagpapahabol. May timala akong ganon. Yaw ka na lang mag-talk! Ay, chismis! Renan to set. Nice one, Jen! Free ball for the Wolfpack. Set by Renan. Oh my! 21. Touch! That gives us Wolfpack as a winner for set number 1 game number 3. One minute, change the court, ladies and gentlemen. Ginawa ko. We have the most honest team later on. Mag-award tayo, the most honest team. So lahat na lang magsasabi ng natin kahit hindi. Served by the Cantons.
Yes.
Again, we have the House of S-Boy outside. If you want to buy food, from the Philippines, go for it.
I'll shout.
Go for it, darling.
I'll shout.
Nice. Walang pansin kanton sa labas ha. Nasa loob yung pansin kanton. Kainin nyo sila. Nakatapos ko lang mag-score ulit ng mga position nyo. Okay, game. Line ball. Tawag ng line ball. Pag yung bola, line ball. Ano yan? Volcanic eruption? Nice one. Set by Don at stop by Leonard. Nice one. Nice one. Outside Chicago. Score to walk back. Substitution 4-16. Five. Service, Jen Barana. Set by Don. Ribo for the wall pass. Set by Rena, attack by Chris. Detay by Time out! kanina. Wolta! Sorry, Cam. Sa kanina pala si Cam sa akin. Ete mo? Punta na ako mag-almusal. Lalaro pa ako, wait lang. Set by Renan. Rivo, Jorge Anton. Set by Don. Attack by Lily. Good save from the low flash. Rivo. Again by Renan. Let's see kung mag-act sa Don. Nan. Rivo. Gusto ko tahimik ba? Okay! Madami ka muli lang. Sarap. Attack by Luis! Line in by the umpire. Wall back to score. Chris serve. Doon, ang bilis doon. Parang si Birot ka doon. Parang si Birot din. Love it. Wolfpack to score. The score na yan si Wolfpack. Kaya ngayon lang. Nice service from Chris. Set by Don. Received by number 8. Number 13. Set by Renan. Attack by 24. Oy! Good. Vivo for the Wolfpack. Set by Renan. Hindi sa set. Set sa kabilang team. Wow! Grabe naman si number 24. Parang Ishikawa. Pinilit yung kamay pa outside eh. Ano nag-osteoporosis pala. Ikaw pa doon pinigilihan ko. Received by number 8, set by Renan. Check. Set by Don. Attack by Ron. Line. Sayang. Kung iiwan niya Renan yung paa niya sa kabila, Pasok sana yun. Sayang. Umangat eh. Set pa yun natin. Nice! Number 30! By the way, I love the color of your Mizuno, ha? I love. Ay, A6. That's A6 yan. The logo is so A6. Love it! Lahat ng shoes. Pinag-disitahan ko. Bigay mo lang Denver. Set by Don. Anong sabi ng umpire? Out from both umpires. Yes, score for the Wolfpack. Ball please. Give me the ball.
Pili ko kada corner.
Nice hit from 24. Ay! Good try naman. Kapag ka daw hindi nag-work ng one time, ulitin. Ganun lang. Service, Mark Lester Garnica from Canton. Nice service. Inside! 11-80 ng Mangamoy. Third set. Ba't ganyan kayo? Hindi nyo mag-third set Canton. Gigigil ang sisyo. Outside! 12-80. Pakain lang ang kaway. Hey! Good! Ginamos ni Ulang, pero okay lang. Tyrone to serve, Pansin Canton, 20. Outside! Good. Service, Mark, set by Renan. 23-40 in favor of Pansin Canton. This game is brought to you by Easter Cup Noodles. Featuring Pansin Canton. Yun! Wolfpack to score and to serve now. Number 8. Saan ba tayo na kaya? Postpartum. Uy! Second Chris Rivo for Canton. Sama ni Mark to end the set. Babayuhan ko kayo. Oh my God. Babayuhan. Grabe naman yung pagbayo mo, Mark. Ang deep. Second set po sila. 15-25. Very nice game, very nice game. 15, 25, 15, 15. Hanggang dito, malapit. Ano, yung tubig, pinipicturean mo? Papakain ko sa itong battery ng mga. Yung call. Hindi mo siya yung call? Yung call. May gusto ko tayo i-announce? Oh! Talaga ba? YouTube ko pa hindi ka naman papalood. Ay, sorry. Nakabay pala ako. Kamay! Ready! Okay na ako. Wala ka palang pipicturean. Okay tayo. Okay tayo. Announce ko? Di parang bumaba yung Latina sa bandang south side. Hindi ba? Yung sa south. Bumaba, oh. Oh, bumaba. Naging junior. Bumaba dito. Huwag mo ilagay sa gitna yung ano, yung tension. Huwag sa gitna yung tension. Tanggalin yung tension sa gitna. Ilagay nyo sa taas yung tension. Tension, yes, for physics here eh. O syempre naman, para matalino sa madaming tao. Kasi ang pangit mo, pagtalo yung word, parang hindi professional. Ayan, let go. Kailangan let go tayo. Ayan, let go the best. Pag di ka nag-let go, masakit. Ouch! Ready! Mamaya natin siya ayusin. Thank you so much, referee. Walk back to serve. Walk back to serve. Yes, yes. Kasi kayo hindi ba sila dito? Tapos, pangalawa, tapos pangalawa. Uy! Nice opening. Number 24. Ayun! Nice game from number 4. Free ball from Canton. Ayun! Pansit Canton to score. Guys, sa likod, pag-minimize lang po ang ating bola ha. Pag-minimize lang. Lady to serve. Rena, set. Uy! Almost denied, pero sino? Buong araw. Nice serve, nice receive. Free ball for the Wolfpack. Number 8. Remember, this is just race to 15, ladies and gentlemen. Substitution, number 1 to number 2. Mark to serve. Good receive. Set by Chris. Free ball for Bertone. Yung mga delikado moves, nagwo-work. Love it. 4-2. 4-2 in favor of the Cantons. Renan. Set. Uy! Pumunta ng Bresta yung mga girl. 5-2 in favor of the Canton. Parang medyo mo to. Gosh. Good receive from the Wolfpack. Chris. Free ball, free ball. Set by Renan. Chris to attack. Oh! Aray. Ouch. Substitution, 1-6. Multiple ano ka girl, multiple entry. Chris to serve, short. Okay, free ball for the Wolfpack. Set by Renan. Ay! Lovely. 6-3. Tyrone to serve. Ayun. Ayun na nga. Wag kasi babae. Wag kasi yung ano. Nagbubulo kasi. Wag yung binubulo si Tay. Kaya mo yan, Tay. Check to set. Oy, nice. Nice. Good. Good ball. Good. Mark attacking. Block by the net. Gusto ko sabihin sa mic, pero tawa. Ay! Naman ang nila, set by goal, ang attack by goal. 8-6. Mark Lester Gordica for the attack. Sabi ni Mark, "Ano? Ano?" Hey, 6. Time out! Mag-work kaya ang timeout na to. We'll see. Commercial tayo. May mga ipapa-announce ba kayo? Post mo yan.
Parang ano naman daw, may video daw sa labas. Parang huwag ka marinig ko.
Parang nakita ko si Tita Alice dito eh. Tita Alice, hello! Gusto mo sumali Tita Alice? Tara, tara. Woo! Sent by Lord. Oy, nagpe-fake! Nagpe-fake si number 6. Brazil ka ba? Perfect! Nice. Good receive from the Canton. Uy, good. Set by Renan. Number 24! Outside the touch. Outside the touch. So, that score is for the Wolfpack. Honesty is the best policy. Pinaka-honest na team, meron ka to, JP. Courtesy of the five man. Set by Don. Mark! Ang ganda sana no, number 8, ano nakuha mo? Dahil sa... Ang ganda niya, ang ganda ng doll ng pancake na yun. Ay! Mamaya. Sabi. Number 3 to serve. Sabi ni Chris, hindi lang kayo ang marunong bayo. Ako din. Again, we have the house of Escoy outside. Meron pa po ba, Kuya Sven? Meron pa bang pagkain doon? Madami pang food. All 11. Oh my God. Oh my God. Crucial service for both teams. Outside Chicago. From number 1. Banat Katon. Kinakabahan na. Ano po? Next game, game number 4, London Thundercats versus Team A. Kasi baka maano ako dito Child Protection Act pagka sinabi ko yung tuloy-tuloy. Picture ng picture para wala akong masano mamaya. Nice. Set. Ayun na naman yung 54. Set by Renan. Primo. Set by Renan. Chris! Wrong calculations. Wrong physics. All 12. All 12. Service by Liquid. Number 4. Set service. Set by Renan. 24. Set by Don. Net touch. By who? Net touch by who? Number 6, Garnica. Alright, that score is for the Wolfpack. 3 points na yung honors nitong team na to ha. 3 points ka. Nice, number 24, service. Good, good, good. Alright, the ball is in the line. Nice one! Iron Man pa namang. Batang may laban, Lester Garza. Grabe, ang gatas ito ng bata, Alaska. Up. Ako up. Match point for the Hotdogs. If they'll get the set, they'll proceed to semi-finals. Thundercats versus Utes. 5 minutes, 12:23. We will start our game number 4.